Hello Stampers and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I am showing you the From My Heart Specialty Designer Series paper. This paper has gorgeous foil accents in red and pink, and it is just so stunning and really can make a Valentine's Day project special, but it can also be used for a lot of other occasions as well, which is what I'm super excited about. Of course, this piece here actually coordinates with the heartfelt bundle and the punches that are scallop as well as a smooth one. So I'm super excited about that. I'm going to go through each of these sheets so that you can see it on the full spectrum and see all of the shine that it really has to offer. So let me know which one your favorite is in the comments below, and at the end I'll share with you which one my favorite is. Okay, which one is your favorite from the From My Heart Specialty Designer Series paper? Mine is definitely this foil one with the polka dots, as well as this foil one that has the hearts and the lines and the dots and everything. I love both of those, but I super love the smooth lines too, because those can be used for all occasions throughout the year. So whatever I don't use for Valentine's Day can still be used for other projects. So I hope you guys enjoyed this paper as much as I did. Of course, I'll be posting completed projects of these on my blog, laurastamppad.com, so you can check that out there. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new, as I post every Tuesday and Thursday. And I'll see you guys all next time. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.